want to welcome everybody here at Station 4. We are blessed to gather here for a second time this year. We launched our 4.2 earlier this year, and now we're at 10.6. A special welcome to almost the complete head office staff, CEO, Clive, and the previous year, welcome here. Then the representative of the Surf Ski Club, Rob and Kasha, that's going to do the naming of the boat. Special welcome to you. As Station 4, we are proud to be the owners of this vessel, as it's the first of its kind to be built by Gemini. If I can just give you a feel of the specifications of this boat. It's a 10.6 meter rib. That's not a normal size boat. It's much bigger than a normal rib that you normally use. With 250 horsepower motors at the back. There's place for 6 seated crew inside, or on shock mitigation seats. So you can go into rough seas and the seats will save your back. Then it's the self-righting capability of this vessel. There's a lot of buoyancy built into the roof itself. They try to flip it over, and as they flip it over, it just turned upright again. So that's without even using the self-right system at the back. Then the pontoons is foam filled. So you're not going to get a puncher. We don't need to pump the pontoons anymore. So that's also something new for it. The fuel carrying capacity is 400 liters. Give us quite a distance to go out. We can carry up to 20 survivors. The cabin is an aluminium cabin, and then of course there's a state-of-the-art GPS, radar, everything, all the equipment in the inside. So if you can hear, it's quite an impressive boat, and we're very proud to be taking this boat into our station. Then from my side, I just want to thank all my crew. They put in a lot of effort to make this day possible, and we're having our open day afterwards. So thank you for all the crew. And then the lady that organized all the catering and everything, I would just say a special thank you to Nikki. Nikki, can you just come to the front, please? She did all the catering, so I think we can give her a hand. Thank you.
The other day we were here launching a 2 meter or 4 meter. This one's a little bit bigger. Firstly, I just want to say congratulations. I mean, this is a first for CUSQ, and I think it must be wonderful for you to be the first to have a rib like this. It's a scaled down version of a Dutch rib. If you've ever been to Holland and seen the ribs that they use, big aluminium craft with huge big sponsons that they actually tie down. They don't fix them onto the hull, and then they have this buoyancy chamber in the roof. So, and they're built like bulldogs. I mean, they literally can take any sea that you would ever want to take. So I think, you know, what you've got here now is primarily a really safe boat, and it's designed around the crew, which is really important.
Now we go over to the main reason why we're here, and that's the naming of the boat itself. Kasha, if you will do us honest.
Alright, I name this boat Spirit of Surf Ski 5. May God bless it and all who sail on it.
So you name me.
Thanks.